Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about the difference between painting details and painting impression. When we begin painting, many of us believe that more details make a better painting. We try to paint every leaf, every brick, every window, and every tiny object we see. We think that if we copy everything, the painting will look realistic. But as we grow as artists, we discover something important. A beautiful painting is not always about details. Sometimes it is about the impression we leave on the viewer. So, what is the difference? Paintings detail mean carefully showing every small part of a subject. This can be useful when a detail is important to the story or the focal point. But if everything is detailed, nothing stands out. The viewer's eye become busy and may not know where to look. Painting impression is different. Instead of painting every object exactly, we paint the feeling, the light, the atmosphere, and the mood of the scene. We suggest details rather than explaining everything. A few confident brushstrokes can often say more than hundreds of careful ones. For example, when painting a distant forest, we do not need to paint every tree. A few simple shapes and the right values can make the viewer believe there is a forest. When painting people far away, we do not need to paint every face. Simple marks are often enough. Our viewers will naturally feel in the missing details with their imagination. This is one of the wonderful things about art. We invite the viewer to take part in the painting instead of showing them everything. That does not mean details are bad. Details are powerful when used in the right place. Usually, the most details belong around the focal point, while the rest of the painting can stay simple. This creates balance and guide the viewer eye. As watercolor artists, we should remember that watercolor is a medium of freshness and simplicity. We do not always need to control every brushstroke. Sometimes the soft edges, flowing colors, and loose shapes create a stronger impression than perfect details. The next time you paint, ask yourself, am I trying to paint every detail or am I trying to capture the feeling of the scene? That one question can completely change the way you paint. In the end, details show what something looks like, but impressions show what it feels like. Great paintings often combine both, using details only when they matter and impression everywhere else. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope this encourages you to paint with more confidence, more freedom, and to trust that sometimes a simple impression can be more powerful than perfect detail.